Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Expensify create invoices? I know that a lot of people use Expensify to track their expenses, but they're not sure if it can also be used to create invoices. So, I'm going to clear up the confusion once and for all. Before I get into the answer, let's take a quick look at what Expensify is. Expensify is a cloud-based expense management platform that makes it easy to track, manage, and report your expenses. It can be used by individuals, businesses, and organizations of all sizes. Now, back to the question, does Expensify create invoices? The answer is yes. Expensify can create invoices for you. In fact, it's one of the most powerful features of the platform. There are two ways to create invoices in Expensify. Use the Create Invoice button. This is the easiest way to create an invoice. Simply click on the Create Invoice button and fill out the required information. Use the Reports tab. This is a more advanced way to create an invoice. You can use the Reports tab to create custom reports that include all of your expenses for a specific period of time. You can then export these reports to a CSV file or print them out. Once you've created an invoice, you can send it to your client or customer. You can also track the status of your invoice and see when it was paid. Here are some of the benefits of using Expensify to create invoices. It's easy to use. The Create Invoice button makes it easy to create invoices in just a few clicks. It's customizable. You can customize your invoices to include your company's logo, branding, and contact information. It's trackable. You can track the status of your invoices and see when they were paid. It's affordable. Expensify offers a variety of pricing plans to fit your needs. Additional tips. In addition to creating invoices, Expensify can also be used to track receipts, create expense reports, and automate expense reimbursement. Expensify offers a free trial, so you can try it out before you commit to a paid plan. Expensify has a large and supportive community of users. You can find help and support on the Expensify forums and social media channels. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy expensing.